If your Airwrap curls drop within 2 hours, your hair is not the problem. Your starting point is. And I guarantee nobody told you this. After my Dyson videos, I got some comments and DMs regarding this. So I did a deep dive, found 4 reasons, and the last one, it's happening to almost everyone. It starts with porosity. How easily water gets into your hair shaft. That matters because Airwrap resets your hydrogen bonds using moisture. Think of your hair cuticle like roof tiles. Some people have ties that are tightly shut, like naturally straight hair, that kind that takes forever to get wet in the shower, or the products just sit on the top. That's low porosity. For these people, Airwrap feels like it does nothing because the hair isn't taking in enough moisture to reshape. You guys should start on better hair than you think you need and go lighter on products because heavy silicones are sealing a cuticle that's already sealed. It's like working against yourself. And other people have ties that are wide open, like bleached, colored, or frizzy hair that puffs up the second you step outside, like my hair. That's high porosity. For people like us, जितनी जल्दी curls form करते हैं उतनी जल्दी collapse कर जाते हैं. So we need to create a structure using a light mousse and then seal it after styling using silicone serums or anti-humidity sprays. If you want the exact product stack that I use, I have broken it down separately in this video. But even if you have nailed porosity, most people do this one mistake. They start curls from middle down and completely ignore the root. Now, if the base is loose, your curl has nothing to hold on to and then it drops. That's why your curls look great for an hour and then collapse. That's why you need to set the root first. Lift your hair away from your scalp, create tension there, and then move down. Now with roots sorted, section size matters, as the Airwrap needs air to penetrate your entire sections. Dense or unevenly damp sections mean the outer layer dries up while the inside is still wet. But as the inside dries, it pulls the structure apart from within. That's why it looks great for 10 minutes and then drops. So take thinner sections and make sure it is evenly damp. And finally, the most common one, thermal fatigue. Repeated heat causes protein loss over time. Elasticity drops and the bonds stop reforming properly. And people think उनके Dyson ने काम करना बंद कर दिया. It didn't. Your hair changed and your routine needs to evolve with it. You just need more protein treatments, smaller sections, and adjust your dampness maybe. Share this with someone who has given up on their Dyson Airwrap.